If you're having trouble with the Instagram app not opening, or if your screen is just entirely blank and white, this video is for you. Today I am going to show you how to fix the problem in a few simple steps. So don't worry, your Instagram account is safe and sound. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end and follow the instructions, and you'll be good to go. So what you want to do first is open up your settings and then tap on display and brightness. And then if you have dark mode turned on, you want to turn that off. Hopefully, it will fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, go back to the settings screen and scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on this search bar up top and search for Instagram. Next, tap on storage. And you want to clear all of the data that's associated with your Instagram app. So go ahead and tap on clear data and it will clear out all of the corrupted data that might have been collected over time by the Instagram app. And then open up your Instagram app and log back in. It should fix your issue. Another thing that you can try is uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. To do that, go over to the Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. After that, tap on the uninstall button and install it back onto your device. If none of these solutions work for you, the final option is to open your web browser. Tap on the URL bar, type in instagram.com, and then try logging into your Instagram account through the browser. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.